How to merge two people in one photo using Gemini. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and search for Google Gemini. Click on the official Gemini website to open the platform. If you haven't already, sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface. Now, look at the left-hand side of the screen and select the Images option. This switches Gemini to image creation and editing mode. Next, click the Upload button or the plus icon and upload the two photos you want to merge. Make sure both images are clear and show the faces properly for the best results. Next, type a clear prompt describing how you want the two images to be merged. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the final result will be. Then click the Submit or Generate button to let Gemini start creating your new image. The AI may take a few moments to process your request, so just wait while it generates the final result. Once the image is ready, you'll see your newly combined photo on the screen. If you're happy with the result, simply download it to your device. If not, you can edit your prompt and generate another version until you get the look you want. And that's it. You've successfully combined two photos using Google Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.